Most teams do not have a data problem. They have an answer and clarity problem. The dashboards exist, the metrics exist, the data is technically there, but the moment somebody asks, why did signups drop? Which channel is actually driving pipeline? Are we pacing toward goal this month? Everything suddenly slows down. Someone has to pull numbers from 5 different tools, compare time periods, explain what changed, and turn that into something leadership can actually use. And that's exactly the gap I want to look at in this video. For a lot of B2B SaaS teams, AI automation teams, and growth operators, the bottleneck is not collecting data anymore. It's getting from scattered metrics to a clear answer fast enough to do something useful with it. And the usual setup is messy. Your traffic data is in one tool. Ad spend is somewhere else, pipeline lives in the CRM, revenue is in Stripe or finance tooling. Then somebody exports half of it into a spreadsheet just to create a weekly update. That works until it doesn't. Because once the business gets more complex, dashboards by themselves stop being enough. You don't just need charts. You need context, you need explanations. You need a way for non-analysts to ask real business questions and actually get answers. That is basically the pitch behind Databox. Not just put all your metrics on one screen, more like centralize the data, standardize it, ask what changed, understand why, and actually act on it. At a high level, Databox is an AI-powered analytics platform that pulls performance data from across your stack into one place. It supports 130 plus integrations, plus spreadsheets, SQL databases, APIs, and automation tools like Zapier and Make. But the important part is not just connection. The point is that Databox is trying to bridge data to explanation to action. So instead of just building dashboards, you can also use Genie, Databox's AI analyst, to ask questions in plain English, generate performance summaries, set goals, forecast progress, automate reports, and even connect Databox into AI workflows through Databox MCP. That's why this is especially interesting for people building AI-assisted ops and analytics workflows, because now the analytics layer is not just something you look at, it can also become something your AI tools can query and work with. This is where I think the product gets a lot more compelling. If you're an AI automation developer or a technical operator, you've probably already built flows that move data around. That part is not new. The harder part is getting trusted, standardized business context into those workflows. Because if every team defines metrics differently, or if the numbers live in disconnected tools, your automations are basically operating on fragmented context. Databox is trying to solve that by giving you one place to connect sources, define metrics, build datasets, and then ask questions against that shared layer. So instead of, here are 10 charts, good luck, it becomes, here's what changed, here's why it probably changed, and here's what the team should look at next. That's a much more useful workflow. All right, let me show you the flow I'd actually care about if I were setting this up on a real team. Step 1, connect the sources. Databox supports over 130 pre-built integrations, and the official workflow is basically connect the tools you already use, pull the metrics into one place, and avoid rebuilding the same reporting logic across multiple systems. For a SaaS team, that might be some combination of GA4, ad platforms, HubSpot or Salesforce, Stripe, spreadsheets, and maybe SQL data in the background. Step 2, prepare the data. This is where Databox datasets, merge datasets, and custom metrics matter. Because raw data is rarely shaped the way you actually want to analyze it. You might need to blend sources, filter out noise, calculate custom fields, or standardize metrics so the entire team is looking at the same definitions. Step 3, visualize what matters. You can start from a template, drag and drop metrics onto a dashboard, customize it, add goals, and create a view that's actually useful for a weekly operating review instead of just being a wall of charts. And if you want to move faster, Genie, Databox's AI analyst, can also help generate data boards, metrics, and visualizations from a prompt, so you're not stuck doing everything manually. And then step 4 is the part I think separates this from just another dashboard tool. Ask questions. Use Genie, their AI analyst, to ask what changed, compare periods, understand drivers, and get a plain English explanation instead of manually reverse engineering every trend. That is way closer to how teams actually work. Let's be honest, most people don't want more dashboards. They want fewer meetings where somebody is trying to explain a dashboard. That's why Genie is interesting. Instead of forcing everyone to navigate filters and dashboards first, you can start with the question, what changed? Why did this metric move? The clearer and more detailed the question, the better the insight tends to be. And Databox is explicitly pushing that workflow. Ask questions in plain English, get instant answers grounded in standardized metrics and business context, compare time periods, highlight trends, generate performance summaries, and move faster without waiting on analysts. For technical teams, that matters because it lowers the friction between having data and actually using it. You can ask follow-up questions to go deeper, generate data boards, metrics, and visualizations from a prompt, and even share the full Genie conversation with charts and context through a link. For leadership, it means fewer black box reports. And for operators, it means less time manually translating performance into executive language. Now, if your audience is AI automation people, this is probably the section they care about most. Databox has an MCP server, which means you can connect Databox to tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, and other MCP-compatible clients, so those tools can work directly with your Databox data using natural language. That opens up some genuinely useful workflows. You can ask performance questions inside your AI tool. You can build automations that react to metrics. You can generate summaries without opening a dashboard first. And you can bring trusted business context into the same place you're already doing automation work. That is a much stronger story than, here is a nicer charting tool. It turns analytics into something operational. The other thing I like here is that Databox doesn't stop at analysis. You can build reports, schedule snapshots, share dashboards, send updates to Slack or email, set goals, and create alerts when performance shifts. That matters because a lot of teams don't fail at analytics because they lack charts, they fail because the insights never turn into a repeatable operating rhythm. Weekly review, monthly reporting, leadership summary, sales scorecard, campaign check-in. If you can centralize the metrics, explain what changed, and automatically get the right update to the right people, that's where this becomes useful beyond just demo value. That is the difference between reporting and performance management. Now, honest take. Databox is not magic. If your data is messy, your definitions are inconsistent, or your team doesn't actually know what it wants to measure, no analytics platform is going to fix that for you. You still need decent inputs. You still need sane KPIs. You still need to think clearly about what the business is trying to optimize. But if you already have data spread across too many places and you want a faster path from metrics to explanation to action, this starts to make a lot of sense. Especially if you're trying to combine dashboards, AI analysis, reporting, and automation in one system without turning it into a 6-month BI project. So if your team is tired of chasing metrics across 5 different tools, building the same reports over and over, or waiting too long to answer simple performance questions, Databox is worth a serious look. You can connect your stack, build the dashboards, use Genie to understand what changed, and bring that same data into your AI workflows with MCP. There's also a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, and if you want to go deeper, use the link below to book a demo and see how it would fit your workflow.